Hi guys, welcome to Garden Origins. I just want to show you guys today how to make comfrey tea. These are my comfrey plants. I started these in January inside, and then I planted them out on May 3rd. So they've done very well. I started originally out with 12 seeds, only 6 germinated. And then if you look at my second video, the cats attacked them and I only had 2 left. But as you can see, they come out awesome. They're nice and healthy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them out to make some comfrey tea. I'm going to leave some because you can harvest these 3 to 4 times a year. So I'm just going to make sure you use gloves when you do this because the leaves can be a little bit abrasive. I'm just going to use some regular scissors just to snip some leaves. Now you gotta make it into small pieces. Comfrey is a deep-rooted plant, so it gets a lot of nutrients from deep inside the ground, and it's full of nutrition for the plants. Just make it into small pieces, a little more. Okay, that should be good enough. Now you want to fill the bucket with water. Okay, I'm going to stop there just for time-wise. I'll fill the rest of this with water. One thing I wanted to mention is I'm using filtered water on my hose. If you check out my previous video, I gave you guys some information. You can order these online. They're made for garden hoses. You could also use them inside. But then the most important part is you want to cover it up. Seal it up. Now this is going to sit for about 3 weeks, and it's going to make a concentrate. And then once it's ready, you're going to take about 1/10 into a gallon of comfrey tea, and then the rest will be water into a watering container, and that'll be your fertilizer. Homemade, free, and 100% natural. So I want to thank you guys for watching this Garden Origins. God bless you, and thank you.